What's up mga kalabo? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to add end screen and cards for your uploaded video using your phone. First thing to do is to open YouTube on Google Chrome. Make sure that it is in desktop view. Go to your YouTube channel. Click the video that you want to put an end screen. Click Edit Video. Click End Screen. Choose the desired format. Click the first element. Click the starting time. Select the time and change it. Make sure you know the starting time of your outro. Huwag mong pagsabay-sabayin one at a time. Change it by millisecond, by second, and by minute. Done for the first element. Proceed to the next element. Click this to select featured playlist. Choose the playlist you want to feature. Now, select the starting time again and change it. You can choose a specific video to feature here, then repeat changing the starting point for the last element. Click Done. Now click Cards. You will be directed to another tab. Click Add Card. Choose what you want to feature. It's either a video or a playlist. Click this to add text. Type what you wanted to pop out on your video. Click Create Card if you are done. Now, go to your channel in YouTube application. Panoorin mo yung video na nilagyan mo ng end screen at cards. This is the card. And this is the end screen. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!